and today
It's Alexa.
and Emily.
Welcome back to Alexa and Emily. So, these aren't all our slimes. These are just our favourite 4 slimes, guys. So, if you're thinking, oh, that's not much slime, we do have a lot of slime, to be honest. We've got it all, like, tucked up away.
Because our baby sister Isabel tried to get more.
So, today we're just going to be showing you some slimes.
And how to make slime.
I'm going to show you the small one with this one, and Emily's going to show you these 2.
Yeah, I got the fat one.
I'll do the yeah, she calls it the fat one. It's funny. So, guys, you probably won't understand it anyway. So,
Look, I got a bubble.
I've got this unicorn slime that I made with pink and purple. You mix it really well and it gets like this unicorn-y texture. So Emily's going to show you the other unicorn one.
Alright,
That's just a... Oh, by the way, warning. The slimes might fart a bit.
Fart. Right, so this is the other unicorn one. It's really goopy and stretchy. And, well, Lexi made this one, so... I'm not actually sure what she did because I was at
my
own
jiggly slime with special jiggly ingredients. So guys, we do have a lot more slimes, remember?
Just so you know, it's Thursday, the day we're filming it. I'm staying all till Sunday.
So we'll be recording Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So
and
guys,
maybe twice.
What we're going to do is, this is mine and Emily's slime.
Once we've showed you all the slimes, we'll just tell you how to make slime and everything.
Okay then, guys, if we're going to
carry.
carry on. Emily made this slime. It's not the... I won't say it's 100% the greatest, because it is terrible, but we're just going to knead it slowly.
So,
she just made this one, didn't you, Em?
So guys, this is the butt slime. It's got a butt on it.
Emily, didn't you just make this?
Yeah, I just made it. It's not like the best. It's like
I think she
patty at the moment.
Yeah, she put a bit too much contact lens solution, so I have to just calm it down a bit.
So this is the butt slime. It's all all sorts. You know what I
It
mean.
is stretchy.
We have this slime called Ack down there, but not exactly slime. It has an alien.
It's
inside.
putty.
Yeah, putty, but it doesn't even poke and stretch and everything. Just like goo, I guess. But these are like our favourite slime. This is the butt slime. This is my favourite.
Guys, so we're going to show you what it actually looks like when it's all kneaded. So if you need that, well, I tell them how to make slime. You need that. So guys, the ingredients you need is glue, shaving foam, food colourings if you want them, and basically borax, maybe
Also, you could
washing
use
detergent or eye contact lens solution. So yeah, guys.
Also, you can use soap.
I wouldn't use no.
And to make blue tax, whatever it is, glue tack slime,
glue tack.
you need you just get a whole warm water and bathe it in water, and then you just put soap to it.
Yeah, so how to make fluffy slime is basically the same ingredients, but you just need double the amount of shaving foam, really.
Yeah.
So this is coming along now, as it seems as it was just made. It's
And at
coming
the
along.
end, we're going to show you all pictures of our slimes.
Not pictures.
Yeah, not pictures, but like all of our slimes.
I wouldn't say all of them. We have so many.
Kiss the slime. Mwah.
We have like over 50, no, over 150, isn't it?
Yeah, really.
I just love this one. Even though it's just made and it's rippable, I just like... Listen to this, guys.
Lexi made some of these, and I made that one.
These are my favourites. Well, my second favourite after the one that was just made, because these are jiggly, but they can still stretch.
Which ones? Let's put them all in the tubs and choose a favourite.
Okay.
So,
oh, I put the wrong lid in the wrong one. Like you can pick 2 favourites. Mine's the unicorn slime and this slime that was just made.
okay. Mine's probably this jiggly slime here. It's
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
you could just read it a minute.
This one's
If you can't read it,
This
then
one's
sorry.
got like a light shade of pink at the top and then like a dark shade. And this one's just completely pink. And
Can I just tell you something, guys?
unicorn.
We've ordered a KFC, like a mini, like little burger thing.
Oh,
And
this
it had
salad cream on it.
salad cream. We ordered plain, didn't we? And my
Yeah,
my
Emily.
second favourite is butt slime.
Emily also added silver glitter into this, so it took a bit of a while because it had to be kneaded really well, but she didn't knead very well. with the contact lens solution because it's rippable.
I wear my Christmas socks today.
She's wearing her Elf Christmas socks because it's festive, I guess. No, it's not. Anyway. I want to show you this book that I'm reading. It's called, this is really good. I recommend, oh, you just fell. I'd recommend you to read this, guys. It's called Jessica Cole, Model Spy, Catwalk Criminal. So it's not about...
You don't have it, get it.
So it's not about her being a catwalk criminal. It's just about her basically finding someone that's a catwalk criminal, basically.
Anyway, we have Lexi has Instagram, and we both have Musical.ly, but it's basically Lexi's channel,
And we can go live whenever you guys want us to go live.
we're probably gonna go live on Instagram later.
We'll go live after when we finish this video. We're gonna go live on Instagram, so be sure to check that out.
Well, anyway, you know what I'm gonna say. I'm just gonna remind you.
Comment down below, give us a big thumbs up, and smash that subscribe button.
And smash the slime button.
And also turn on your post notifications to be notified when we do our
That's
videos.
basically ring the bell.
Ding. So thank you for watching today's video, and we hope you enjoyed.
Bye.
Bye guys.